drilling, plus reaming, plus countersink, plus tapping from BDS Maschinen. Presenting the MAB-525 magnetic drilling plus tapping machine from the Profi Plus category. Robust, multitasking and lightweight. Now drilling with a magnetic drilling machine on non-ferrous, non-magnetic material is made possible with the BDS vacuum plates. MAB-525 performs core drilling up to 50 mm diameter and up to 75 mm cutting depth capacity. Up to 20 mm diameter twist drilling. Up to 20 mm diameter reaming. Up to 50 mm diameter countersinking. And up to M20 thread cutting. Simply better drilling. Equipped with a powerful 1600 watt motor. Lightweight, weighing just 16 kilograms. Robust 2-speed gearbox. Permanent internal lubrication. Durable dovetail slide system. Next generation oil bath gearbox. Intelligent magnet indicator and safe arrangement of switches. Brilliant speed and torque controls. A Morse Tapper MT3 machine. Sleek integrated cooling tank. Unique carbon brush indicator. Complete internal cabling for safety. Full wave control electronics. Motor overheat protection. The MAB-525 magnetic drilling plus tapping machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.